Hello, everyone, and welcome to Calendar Math with Miss Udoh. All right, guys, let's begin. Do you know what month it is? Let's think. We are currently in the 6th month of the year. Last month was May, and next month will be July. So what month is it? That's right, we are in the month of June. Do you know what today is? Well, some people call it Hump Day because it's in the middle of the week. That's right, today is Wednesday. Well, if today is Wednesday, then what was yesterday? If today is Wednesday, that means that yesterday was Tuesday. And if yesterday was Tuesday and today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? That's right, tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's take a look at our calendar. Remember, on the calendar, one number is assigned to every day of the month. We began the month of June this week. So Monday was the 1st, Tuesday was the 2nd, and so what is today? That's right, today is the 3rd day of the month. So let's say our date together. Remember, when we say the date, we start with the day of the week, and then we say the month, the number, date, and then the year. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. Let's say it together one more time. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. All right, littles, here's your problem for today. Remember, this week we are adding 2-digit numbers with base 10 blocks. Our problem says 24 plus 4. What is it that we're going to do first? That's right, we're going to look at our first number. And our first number is 24. So we need to decide how many 10s and how many 1s the number 24 has. Well, how many 10s do you think that 24 has? Did you say 2? That's right. There are 2 10s in the number 24. How many 1s does 24 have? Did you say 4? That's right. There are 4 1s in the number 24. Let's look at our next number. Our next number is 4. Are there any 10s in the number 4? No, there are not. Well, how many 1s are in the number 4? That's right. There are 4 1s in the number 4. So what do we do next? That's right. We're going to add up our 10s and our 1s. How many 10s do you see? Did you say 2? Great job. What about 1s? How many 1s do you see? Did you count 8? That's correct. So 24 plus 4 equals 28. Great job, littles. All right, middles, here's your problem. Remember, this week we are counting coins. Uh-oh, got a little error on the screen. Here's our problem. Justin buys rock candy at the mall. Each piece costs 25 cents. How much did Justin spend on rock candy? If he used the least amount of coins possible to pay and received no change, which should he use? So here's our rock candy. Let's think. What do we need to know first? That's right, we need to know that each piece of candy costs 25 cents. And so how are we going to figure out how much Justin spent? Did you say by using repeated addition? If you did, you're absolutely correct. Well, how many times are we going to add the number 25? That's right. We'll add 4 times for the 4 pieces of candy. And 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 100 cents. So, how can we use this number in order to figure out how many coins Justin has to use? Let's start with our largest coin. What is that? You guessed it. It's the quarter, and the quarter is equal to 25 cents. Well, this is quite interesting. A quarter equals 25 cents, and Justin's candy was 25 cents, and he bought 4 pieces of candy. So how many quarters is he going to use? That's right. Justin's going to use 4 quarters to buy his rock candy. And 4 quarters or 100 cents equals $1. Great job, middles. All right, senior scholars, here we go. We are finding the volume of a rectangular prism. Remind me, please, what volume means. That's right. Volume is the amount of space that something takes up. Do you remember the formula? That's right. Volume formula is length times width times height. Now, if we were just looking for length times width, what is that called? There you go. It's called the area. And we find the area of 2-dimensional figures. So, to start, let's look at our shape. Our length is 2. Great job. Our width, 3 units. And our height, 5 units. So, to solve this problem, we're going to be multiplying 2 units times 3 units times 5 units. Let's start with our area. 2 units times 3 units is, you guessed it, 6 square units, because area is always square. So what do we do next? That's right, we multiply times the height. So 6 square units, times 5 units equals 30, typo on the screen, 30 cubic units. Well, thank you so much for joining me for Calendar Math with Miss Udoh today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.